In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a LinkedIn banner on your desktop. This quick and easy process can make a significant impact on your profile's appearance, giving it a professional edge and helping make your page stand out. First, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, sign into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct account if you manage multiple profiles. This is important because uploading the banner to the right profile saves time and avoids any unnecessary confusion later on. Once you're signed in successfully, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Give it a click. This icon is your gateway to a myriad of options related to your account settings and appearance. Now you'll see a menu pop up. From this list, you'll want to select the option that says View Profile. This will take you directly to your main profile page, where all your personal and professional information is neatly presented. On your profile page, you'll notice a banner section. It is located at the very top of your profile, just like a header on a website. Here you will find a small camera icon. Click on this icon to start the process of changing or adding a new banner to your profile. This step is crucial as it opens the door to customizing the look of your LinkedIn page. With the camera icon clicked, you will see a new option to upload. Click on the button that says Upload. This signifies your intent to add a new image to your banner section. Now you need to locate the banner image you had in mind. When choosing a banner, consider the size and resolution to ensure it meets LinkedIn's recommended specifications for an optimal display. Once you've made your choice and have the file handy, select the image from your device. With your file selected, it's time to proceed. Click the Open button. Doing this will upload your selected image to LinkedIn. You might notice a brief delay, which is your file getting ready to be displayed. Finally, there's one more pivotal action to take. Click on Apply. This step locks in your new banner, ensuring it becomes publicly visible. By now, if you've followed along, your LinkedIn profile should have a fresh and engaging new banner reflecting the image you've uploaded. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, your LinkedIn banner is updated, showcasing a distinct aspect of your professional life or personal brand. Remember, visual elements like your banner can significantly enhance your profile, potentially grabbing the attention of recruiters and connections alike. Thanks for watching this tutorial and have fun personalizing your LinkedIn presence.